For clamping your workpiece you have several options. One of them is just using simple F-clamp. Clamp that to your bench, and in my case it's probably supposed to be a vise, like that, and then you can work on this part. Another option you have is gluing the piece onto some scrap board. This is some MDF glue, like so. Put a piece of paper on there. Put some glue on again. Like this. And then you put on your workpiece. You clamp that. And after that you can either screw it to the bench or hold it with another clamp. Whichever you prefer, or is easiest. Which I really like. So you make a simple board like this in an L shape, which you can put in your vise, like so, and clamp it down. Or you can also clamp it with an F-style clamp or whichever clamp you have. And then you put your piece on there, and some small blocks. And you just put the blocks all the way around your piece, like so. Quickly screw it in. So you don't want to go too tight. So there's a little bit of room left. Screw that down. So your workpiece is very secure, it's not going to move when you're working on it, and you can still remove it from the little clamps, turn it around, and replace it and work on it that way. So that's a very easy system as well, and you can just screw it on wherever you want on your board. And if you're done and you need to work on your workbench, you can just remove the board.